We took a family hike on the Miller Canyon Falls Trail in Altadena in the San Gabriel Mountains. It's a roughly 2-mile round-trip hike that follows a stream to the waterfall.
Careful.
¿Caliente o frío?
Most of the trail is covered in trees, so there's plenty of shade throughout the hike.
Yeah, we did it. You did it.
There are a few places along the trail where we had to cross a stream, but the rocks and the low-flowing water made it fairly easy. The waterfall is light and the pool is shallow, which made it easy to walk right up to the waterfall and touch it. With easy terrain, a shaded path, and a fun accessible waterfall at the end, this was a perfect hike for our young kids.